All right, Nisha the PA, we are live.
Hey guys, it's Nisha the PA over here at Dr. Emer's office, and you guys already know what I'm doing. I'm doing one of my favorite treatments in the office. Oops, it's already, we've used it so much. It's the Pixel 8 by Roar Aesthetics. Now, there's a couple of different reasons why I love this laser, but first, get into it. I want you guys to take a look at those gold-plated pins on the very end, and when you see the little red, that's what's indicating that radio frequency energy is being delivered at the end of those little gold-plated needles. Now, what is that going to do? I'm going to show you my gorgeous patient. What her main concern was a combination of acne scarring, really predominantly on the cheeks and on the temples. So we're doing what we love to do here, which is doing a combination of treatments to help improve acne scarring. She's already a little bit swollen because we did the Bellafill and subcision. Now we're moving on. We did a little bit of nerve blocks, which is why you see her a little bit swollen in these areas. We do the nerve blocks to make you much more comfortable in the office. And now we're moving on to our Pixel 8, the radio frequency with microneedling combination treatment to really improve acne scarring. Now, as you guys have always heard me say, this can be a little bit spicy. But as you can see, with the nerve blocks and topical numbing combination, she is very, very comfortable. Now we're going to combine this Pixel 8, right? More microneedling with radio frequency with CO2 laser, and that's going to give her the ultimate treatment when it comes to treating her acne scarring. Now, what do you expect when you're doing Pixel 8? Well, number one, as you can see, a little bit of pinpoint bleeding. That's completely normal. That will stop literally by the end of treatment. And then after treatment, you might have a little bit of swelling. That's going to go away, honestly, by the next day, especially with the correct skincare that we give you here in the office. And you're going to improve literally in 24 hours. Now, combining this, of course, with other treatments in the office will give you the best results. As I mentioned, we did subcision Bellafill. Now we're doing Pixel 8 over where she has predominantly her acne scarring, which is her cheeks and her temples. And then we're going to end it with a little bit of CO2 lasers. You guys know that it's our fully ablative lasers. You combine that with great skincare in the office, and you can get great results too. Now I'm already done with that side, right? I've done the Pixel 8 on this side, a little bit of dry bleeding. That's literally stopping now. And then we're gonna move over to our other side. Maybe turn all the way to the right. Perfect. And we're gonna concentrate this treatment, as I mentioned, on the temples and on her cheek where she has the most scarring. Now this is another reason why I love the Pixel 8. I can adjust the depth or whatever I'm using right here on the hand piece, so I don't have to go too far. There's also two different ways to trigger this mechanism. I have this little button here, but I also have a foot pedal, so I alternate depending on which one I like. Of course, you guys can't know the settings of the trade secret here, so I'm gonna move over and do what I need to do, but we're gonna start right here on the temples. Might feel a little bit of it, but she is, I mean, pretty super comfortable right now. You guys can see how quick this treatment is. Another question I get is, how long do I have to be in the office to get something like Pixel 8 done? Honestly, you can do anywhere between 30 minutes of numbing, and you can do topical numbing by itself, and then the treatment itself is relatively quick, anywhere between, honestly, 10 to 15 minutes. You guys can see I'm speeding past this part because it's super quick treatment. Ideally, I recommend you do anywhere between, honestly, 3 treatments, 4 to 6 weeks apart, so you can get the optimal results.
All right, Nisha, people are saying nice overlap to you.
Oh, thank you. You have to overlap. Look at this. Honestly, I love a treatment that's just as effective, but you can get our patients in and out. We all know that everyone's super busy now. If you want to take this to the next level, maybe you want to do Pixel 8, you're not ready to do something like CO2 laser, then you can combine this with the Aerify kit literally right on top. So we can do the Pixel 8 in the office, and then we can apply the Aerify kit right afterwards. You guys have heard me talk about the Aerify kit before. That's our medical grade complexion brightening kit that you can use at home. I can show you how to use it. You can get on the Aerify Live with me, or I can apply it right in office after your treatment, and that's going to give you a nice glow after you heal from something like the Pixel 8. You can also combine it with other treatments in the office to really give you that super bright effect right after treatment. Just like that, guys, I'm done. Now remember, this is the Pixel 8, the microneedling radio frequency by Roar Aesthetics, used for a combination of texture. You can also use it for tightening. In this particular case, we are doing a combination treatment of Bellafill, Subcision, Pixel 8, and CO2 on top. You guys wait till you see the amazing results that she has. Until next time, it's Nisha the PA at Dr. Emer's office. Bye, guys.